Steeped in tradition, Volano manual-style meat slicers are like nothing else on the market. Simply by looking at these units, you can appreciate the intricacies and craftsmanship that are put into them. Operating the Volano is a lot simpler than it looks. Simply place the product on the meat table, slide it towards the blade, and turn the flywheel clockwise to move the carriage. You can adjust the thickness of each slice using the adjustment slider on the right-hand side. Every unit and version of these slicers have a blade guard that not only keeps the user protected, but the blade as well. Before you begin slicing again, make sure the blade is razor sharp using the sharpening attachment. The dual-sided sharpener is used to buff out any burrs and then a smooth polish. Now, put the Volano in a position where all your customers can be dazzled and watch as everyone gets served with a smile.